Imagine this. You have a brilliant idea. You pour in money, hire people, launch fast. But 6 months later, the company is flat broke. Why? Because you didn't test the business model. Today, let's uncover how great entrepreneurs turn fragile ideas into real opportunities. Every strong business starts with 4 big tests. 1. Market feasibility. Is there really demand? Use tools like Porter's 5 forces to see if the industry is worth entering. 2. Product feasibility. Does your product solve a problem people will pay for? And can you deliver it at a profit? 3. Financial feasibility. Do you know how much cash you need before you run out of time? Investors want to see margins and return. 4. Entrepreneur feasibility. And the toughest one, are you the right person for this? Do you and your team have the skills to pull it off? The best founders don't hide behind thick business plans. They put everything on one sheet, the business model canvas. It breaks down 9 building blocks. Value proposition, why customers need you. Customer segments, who exactly you serve. Relationships and channels, how you connect and sell. Key activities, resources and partners, what you need to make it work. Revenue and costs, how the money flows. In minutes, blind spots jump out. A weak value, broken revenue. You fix it here, not when your cash is gone. But an entrepreneurship business canvas is just a strategic plan. Implementing the lean startup method into the plan makes it more effective and efficient. 1. Build a simple MVP. 2. Test it with real customers. 3. Measure results with data. 4. Pivot if needed. This cycle saves you from wasting years and millions on something nobody wants. It's fast, scrappy, and brutally honest. Subscribe for more entrepreneurship strategy insights.